In this video, I will show you how to change screen brightness on Samsung Smart TV. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, if your TV screen appears dark, you can adjust the screen settings to customize your viewing experience. So to do that, go ahead and press the home button on your remote control and then navigate to menu. From there, go ahead and select settings and then click on all settings. Navigate to picture and then head over to expert settings. Now under that, you'll find brightness. So adjust it to your liking by clicking on that, and that is how you can basically change screen brightness on Samsung Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.